is Pastor Francis, and on behalf of the Executive Council and as a project manager of the 542 Multi-Purpose Building Project, it is my pleasure to give you a summary report on where we are now with regards to its status from the time the Executive Council, emboldened by their faith in God, had unanimously agreed to go ahead and start the construction, trusting the Lord that He will bring it to completion. It was also to the fervent prayers and support of all the current members of the ANFGM, as well as support coming from the former members who have either gone for good in Philippines or have immigrated to the other countries, that the Executive Council was encouraged to pursue this God's-given project. As you know already, the 542 project in Calamba, Laguna, Philippines is a multi-purpose building construction which, once completed, is intended to be utilized as a center for worship, for seminars and trainings, as a retreat house, a Bible school, and as a headquarters or base for the planned creation of ANFGM Foundation. It will be also open for all bona fide members of the ANFGM International family. This project is awarded to Mimag Construction Company, and phase 1 of construction started in April this year is expected to be finished this November of this same year. This morning, let me share with you some video clips and images of the construction progress and updates from April to the present so far. We believe that the God we serve is mighty, and with Him, nothing is impossible. Again, on behalf of the Executive Council, we would like to thank you for all your prayers, financial contributions, and unwavering support to make this project come to reality. We encourage you, let us be united, and lift this project in our prayers. We also count on your continued financial support until we see this project is fully completed for the expansion of God's kingdom and for His glory. Thank you, and may God bless you.